KICKASSETS. Ching.
After initial problems with entering by the main doors, we enter by a kitchen. Here's a toilet. This is a main corridor. It looks fine. This is a Japanese style room with tatamis in pristine state. We have some interesting sense of engine, shedding 7 gods of happiness, some beautiful artwork, which are puzzles. Japanese flooring, which is stable, a good one, even for my pretty big body. It's still giving you the feel that there is something to do, some fixes. This is the view from the inside of the house on the bottom floor. Somebody is visiting it regularly. There is a place for a weaponry. Some classical art. Supposed to be the doors to the closet, which we destroyed accidentally. So it's under the stairs closet. The western room with really good flooring. The floor is steady. The walls are in pristine and good shape. It could be bright room if we disclose the shadings. You can see that the room can get brighter. It looks really nice. Ew. It has great big kitchen with a corner L-shaped kitchen shelves and cupboards, so it could suit even big family, but the flooring is requiring the fixing. The kitchen itself could be bright during the day. It's old type of AC, but it's electric, so we also have another window, so it can be really bright during the day. Gigantic cabinet of the kitchen utilities, so you could prepare dinner and everything for at least half a clan, not only family. The flooring requires some minor fixes, at least for European or American standards. It's a great big table. Well, this is the back door. What do we have upper? Western type of flooring. So we have once more one western room, which is pretty big, I would say. Really nice. some older type of Mitsubishi, and it has a pearl pink color, hideous by my standards, but I am just a man, simple man. Some painting of the volcano, which is of course the puzzle arranged. The room is pretty big, so you could say that it could be both study and a sleeping hall, bedroom, big tatami room. This is 8 tatami as I look. Yeah, correct. 8 tatamis plus storage. So one could say that it's big enough for most of the purposes. Let me give you some lighting here. With proper light, this room also looks nice. It seems that all the kawara are the new one. I see only the minor fixes required. There are 2 towers, it seems. So many futons. Fusama in pristine state. Really, really nice. Decorative, nice details. It looks really good. What more it have? Let's see the other side. So now we have the middle room, which could be the living room for most of the day, which is tatami floors. It seems that they are not in the need of replacement, but the older one. There is a small, about 3 tatami wooden floor room, which is currently working as a washing room probably, or at least we have a new AC, air conditioning here, and something to clean the room. It's supposed to have 6 rooms, supposed to. We have the wet area here. Oh, the laundry room is really big, impressive even. We have a washing machine and a dryer. Yep, dryer. We have also the vanity, not the freshest one, and the pink seems to be the favorite color. It seems that we have some water damage here. Not the major one, but it's concerning at least. The toilet seems like something from the unit type. We have the system to fill up the bathtub and to heat up the water. It's a big one also. I would say that pretty nice. Maybe not the best, maybe not the highest model, but seems really nice. And it's big enough. The bathtub is really, really big. It would fit me or Steve, so I would say that plus 2 points for the bathtub. What do we have more? We have another tatami room, 3 tatami, which is wow, 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 wow. This place is a treasure box, I would say, because we have so many valuable arts here. Maybe I shouldn't say that, but just looking by the items here, I can assume that it's worth it. There is also the place where family supposed to sit and watch the garden. We have some fake sterlitzia here. And this is a main room after Genkan. This is a Genkan. Wow! This place has a beautiful artwork. Even in Genkan part you can see something really interesting, except the fact that the doors are destroyed. The family is truly the believers of Iwata no Kami, probably. We have a bamboo decoration here, as I suppose to kick assets. We have another storage here. I don't know, is it whoa, it's interesting. It's like hidden floor, and it leads to the second part of the house. So I assume it has been two different houses. The flooring is really weak here, so I think that it has to be fixed. Tam macie przejście między domami jeszcze. To ten korytarzyk był na zdjęciu, nie wiem po co. Tutaj jest bardzo ładnie ozdobnie. Tak, tutaj są główne pokoje, bo to jest podzielone, to były dwa domy wcześniej. I zobacz.
Byłeś na górze?
Nie, tutaj jest jeszcze jedno wejście na górę.
Tak.
Na tej górze nie byłem.
To chodź, zobaczysz, to rozpierdala głowę. Słuchaj Marcin, mi się bardzo ten dom podoba.
Ja wiem, bo ja uważałem, że on jest bardzo ładny, tylko zacząłem się martwić, że nie pasuje wam z zewnątrz,
Z
tak?
zewnątrz nie pasuje mi chuj.
Ale w środku wydaje mi się, że jest
Marcin, jak jest
wartościowy.
wyposażony, jak
No.
jest czysty, tak? I ile
No.
tu jest drogich rzeczy, to jest drugie tyle kasy. Popatrz co tu się dzieje, patrz.
Michał, tu już jest czterokrotność wartości tego domu w samych rzeczach w środku.
Zobacz.
To tyle ci mogę powiedzieć z mojej oceny.
Wszędzie są wentylacje. Popatrz, tu są takie skarby, Marcin, że... Patrz. Popatrz. Tu są zapasy. Patrz. Patrz.
Dziś sypialnia na tatami, ale tatami do wyrównania niskie. Very low ceiling. This is
Zobacz.
1 meter 80 centimeters of ceiling. Tak, tam jest mnóstwo futonów i tatami, a to wszystko jest popakowane, żeby się nie zniszczyło.
Wszystko
Więc dostajesz wszystko w pakiecie, w chuj się to opłaca. Oj, nagrałem to na kolina nagranie. Więc trzeba będzie cenzurować. Old type of Hitachi, but one of the top line.
Zobacz, z ciepłym dywanem. Czemu
I tatami pod tym.
Tak samo, pięknie. I to był spokój taki...
To są klasyczne sypialnie. O,
Angielski statek.
i dżonka.
Dżonka, to co?
No, statek chiński i japoński. Bardziej chiński. Lalka. Tu jest jeszcze schowek. On zamknięty. The second tower is really low. Ceiling is my height exactly, so probably 1 meter 90 centimeters or less. I would assume that 85 was intended, something like that. 2 rooms here, but everything is in really good condition. What more do we have here? This staircase is the older type. I would say that a little bit scary for me. Yeah, I should turn myself around to go down safely. Okay, it's time for the last part of house, which is here. And once again we have beautiful artwork here. This time it's a tiger, some of artwood, the front garden veranda, which is making this place really worth it. It's probably one of the biggest advantages of this place. The look from the veranda is really nice. I try to be as delicate as I can to not trespass any of the important places. Another storage, some type of old kotatsu or table. Something beautiful here. Zabuton's. The Miss owner is really careful woman, Japanese typically, I would say. She protected every part and piece of this house. The artwork, Shinto shrine, which is connected with Inari-sama. We have also the beautiful wall scroll. I assume that there could be there are some minor stuff here which we'll be not looking for, as we are simply checking places. What purpose I am looking here? Because I am expecting that maybe, just maybe, there would be a that there should be something interesting, which will be Butsudan, but it seems like it's closed and something is not working correctly. Because it was closed incorrectly by previous visitors, probably, it seems. Let's close it like it should be closed. As expected, I am once more correctly assuming it was the Butsudan, which is one of the most beautiful artworks you can get here. It's perfect, it's cleaned properly, it have a beautiful art. Michal! Michal, chodź tu! Let's cover it.